Running out of content ideas, exhausted of thinking what and where to upload and to add variety but still maintain the consistency in your content. I myself manage and work with content, so I understand the pressure of creating contents that must perform well. Hi, I'm V from Mandala, and in this video we are going to see how you can use Mandala to gather information and create great contents that generates high engagement. The process of content creation can be daunting, but if you want to create awareness, maximize exposure, or connect with your audience, content is one of the crucial factors in achieving all of it. With so many content available on the internet already, you don't want to lose an opportunity to grab the attention of your audience. So you need to have the right information available to keep up the pace and create great contents at the same time. The team here at Mandala has carefully designed our platform to provide useful insights that make your tasks more productive and quicker. So when we're talking about creating a successful content, we're thinking of a content that is able to generate high engagement, but in a good way. It is liked by the audience, it is able to provide them value. So for this video, I'm using coffee as my example to show you how you can find contents with high engagement rate that are related to coffee. So if you want to find posts with high engagement on Facebook, let's say, under the mention list, you can go and sort these mentions based on number of likes, comments, engagement, etc. And if you come across a post that is relevant to you, you can directly go onto the social media page and analyze what sort of elements they have used, what are they talking in their content, and what is their audience talking. Analyze all the important factors and maybe repurpose it into your own content, since this has received high engagement and this is something that you find relevant and that your audience will like. Another important factor in creating successful content is knowing the right keywords and hashtags. Under keywords and hashtag, you can learn whether the keywords that you have used for this campaign have high engagement or not. You can also learn other keywords and hashtags that have been trending along with the keywords that you have used for this campaign to create a successful content. You can also use top mentions to find mentions with high engagement on different social media platforms. Now, this primarily indicates that these are the mentions that audience is liking. So maybe you can follow the presentation style, the mood and tone, and you can also go onto the social media page and see what sort of other contents they have prepared. And again, repurpose it, incorporate it in your own content. So you can see how these features from Mandala are allowing you to eliminate the workload and the guesswork. It is giving you clarity on what type of contents to prepare, which will be liked by your audience and will receive high engagement. So basically simplifying the process of content creation. Thousands of content creators, marketers, businesses and brands are using Mandala to take data-driven approach for decision making. So, if you haven't already signed up for Mandala, you can start your 7-day free trial at mandalasystem.com. For more queries, you can email us at sales@mandalasystem.com, and you can watch another interesting videos on Mandala in Mandala Academy. So that is all for this video, and I will catch you next time.